Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix apps not downloading problem on Windows 11. So, if you're having trouble downloading apps on your Windows device, don't worry because in this hands-on video, I'm going to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix this annoying problem. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to check your internet connection. The most common reason for not being able to download apps is a poor or unstable internet connection. So make sure to fix this one. To do so, ensure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Open your browser and try visiting a website. If it is able to load up without any problem, your internet connection is fine. If not, restart your router or modem and reconnect to the network. Additionally, make sure airplane mode is turned off. Just head over to the Settings app on your Windows device and then choose Network and Internet option in the left sidebar. And then select the airplane mode option and then disable it if it is already active. Next up, I will recommend you to verify your Windows Update settings. Sometimes outdated Windows system files can cause app download issues. To ensure your system is updated, open the Settings app by pressing Windows plus I keys. And then you have to choose Windows Update option. And then click on Check for updates. Then you have to install any available updates and restart your PC if necessary. Keeping your system updated ensures compatibility with the latest apps and the Microsoft Store. Then I would recommend you to check your Microsoft Store settings. If the issue is specific to the Microsoft Store, it might need a quick refresh. Start by ensuring your Microsoft Store is updated. To do so, launch the Microsoft Store app on your Windows device. And then you have to click on three-dot menu located at the top right corner and choose Settings. Then you have to scroll down and choose App Updates and click on Get Updates. Additionally, clear the Microsoft Store cache. To do so, press Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. And then you have to type wsreset.exe and hit Enter. This will clear the cache and relaunch the Microsoft Store. Then you have to sign in to the correct Microsoft account. Downloading apps from the Microsoft Store requires a valid Microsoft account. To ensure you are signed in, open the Microsoft Store on your device and then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then you have to make sure that you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account. If not, sign out and then log back in. Then I would recommend you to check your storage space. Insufficient storage space can prevent app downloads. To check your available storage, go to the Settings app on your PC and then select the System tab in the left sidebar. And then choose the Storage option. Then you have to review the storage breakdown and free up space by deleting unnecessary files or apps. Consider using external storage if your internal storage is nearly full. Next up, I would recommend you to adjust the region and language settings on your PC. Sometimes incorrect region or language settings can affect app downloads. Therefore, I would recommend you to fix it without fail. To do so, open the Settings app on your PC and then head over to Time and Language and then choose Region. Then you have to select the correct region from the drop-down menu. And then you have to restart your PC and then try downloading the app again. Another solution that I would recommend you to try is to disable proxy or VPN on your device. Know that a proxy server or VPN might interfere with app downloads. To disable them, open the Settings app on your device and then choose Network and Internet. After that, select Proxy. Then you have to turn off Use a Proxy Server under Manual Proxy Setup. And if you are using a VPN service, disconnect it temporarily and check if the issue is gone. Then I would recommend you to reset the Microsoft Store on your device. If none of the above tips work in fixing the problem, resetting the Microsoft Store can help you get rid of it. To do so, open the Settings app on your device and then choose the Apps option. And then select Install Apps option. And then you have to search for Microsoft Store. And then you have to click on the triple dot menu next to it and select Advanced options. And then you have to click on Reset option. This will reset the app without deleting your installed apps. Next up, I would recommend you to enable app installation from all sources on your PC. Note that Windows 11 has a feature that restricts app installation to the Microsoft Store. To enable installations from all sources, open the Settings app on your device and then choose the Apps option. And then you have to select Advanced App Settings. And under Choose Where to Get Apps, select Anywhere. Then I would recommend you to repair or reinstall the problematic apps on your device. If unable to download a specific app on your Windows device, try repairing or reinstalling it. To do so, launch the Settings app on your Windows device and then choose the Apps option. After that, select Installed Apps, and then you have to search for the app causing the problem. And then you have to click on the triple dot menu right next to it and choose Advanced Options. Then you have to select Repair or Uninstall option. After uninstalling, reinstall the app from Microsoft Store or its official website. Then I would recommend you to check the app compatibility. Ensure that the app you are trying to download is fully compatible with Windows 11 device. Visit the app's official website for system requirements. Next up, I will recommend you to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Know that Windows 11 has a built-in troubleshooter specifically for the Microsoft Store, so make sure to bring it into action. To do so, launch the Settings app on your device and then choose the System tab located in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down a bit and choose the Troubleshoot option and then select Other Troubleshooters. Then you have to scroll down to Windows Store Apps and then click on the Run button. And then you have to follow the on-screen instructions to resolve the problem. Then I would recommend you to scan for malware on your device. Note that malware or viruses might block app downloads on a Windows device. Therefore, go for this pretty handy solution. To do so, open the Settings app on your device and then select Privacy and the Security option. After that, choose Windows Security. And then you have to click on Virus and Threat Protection. And then you have to choose the Quick Scan option. And if malware is detected, follow the recommended steps to get rid of it. And finally, I will recommend you to reset your PC. If nothing has worked in fixing the app download problem on your PC, go for this nuclear solution. To do so, launch the Settings app on your PC and then choose the System tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down to find the Recovery option and select it. And then you have to click on Reset PC under Recovery Options. And then you have to choose Keep My Files option to retain your data, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix apps not downloading problem on Windows device. Hopefully you have gotten a better of the problem and now you are able to download apps on your Windows device without any problem at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.